All right, folks. So I'm having a hard time understanding why so many of you can't figure out what the disconnect is between Christians and Judeo-Christians. Because there is no such thing as Judeo-Christians. People that practice Judaism and Jews despise Jesus Christ. They spit on Christians in Israel. So what's the disconnect? Why are you having such a hard time understanding all of the Israel first, bought and paid for influencers out here and TPUSA, Judeo-Christian? It doesn't exist. It's a fallacy to manipulate you. Wake up.